So today, guys, this is the third day of the tour, and unfortunately, it has started raining again. So let me see what I can explore in this particular location, and let me just quickly start with the tour. So, guys, we have reached the destination, which is Sahelio Ki Bari. Let me just quickly show you the gate, which have a nice marble carving on it. So the weather is nice right now. It has stopped raining. So I'll show you more and more of this particular location. I'll take you inside first of all. Before I take you inside, let me just tell you the ticket pricing for this location. So for Indian citizen is 20 rupees INR. If you are a foreign citizen, be it SAARC countries, be it for anywhere in the world apart from India, it is 100 rupees per person. Again, you need to provide a ID proof at the counter. There are no online bookings in Udaipur. So it's a nice thing to do because you see the place, then you book a ticket. So that's how it is. So there are no online payment, online booking over here in Udaipur apart from the hotels and the flight or train, whatever you're booking for transportation. Let's just head inside and let's just see what you can explore for in this location, in this place, and let's just start the tour. So we are inside the Saheli Ki Bari. Let me just quickly tell you about this particular location. Saheli Ki Bari was built in 1710 to 1734 by Maharana Sangram Singh II. This garden was previously within the banks of Fateh Sagar. However, subsequently this garden was merged into a single garden, which is known as Saheli Ki Bari, which was done by Maharana Fateh Singh. So this was built for the entertainment of the royal ladies and the maids of honor, and that's what it is about this location. Let's just head inside and let's just see the garden and let's just start with the tour. So guys, we are inside the Saheli Ki Bari. So this is one of the garden which is known as Bin Badal Barsa. So there is a reason why the garden is named as Bin Badal Barsa. Let me quickly show you why the garden is known as Bin Badal Barsa and what is the context behind the name. So let me just quickly show you that, and let me just head to the next garden so I can show you more about this location. And let's go ahead then. So we are at the second garden, people. So the name of this garden is Ras Leela. Let me just show you quickly how beautiful this garden is and how well decorated this garden is. So as you can see behind me, the gate is quite beautiful. So let me show you around this particular garden. So let's just go ahead with the tour then. So we're the third garden people. This is known as the Kamal Talai or Lotus Garden. Let me show you how pretty this garden is. Let me quickly show you around, and let me just head to the next garden because there are a few more gardens left in the particular premises. Then we'll head to a different location after this. So let's just go ahead then. So we're the fourth garden people. This place is known as Sawan Bhado, which is the Hindi name for monsoon. This garden was built for the king and queen to come down and enjoy the season during the monsoon. And that's pretty much it about this garden. Let me just quickly show you around this garden and let me just take you ahead to the tour. So guys, this is pretty much it about this location. Let us head to the next location, which is Fateh Sagar Lake, and let's just take the tour ahead then. So we're at the next location, which is Fateh Sagar Lake. So Fateh Sagar Lake is named after Fateh Singh, Maharana Fateh Singh. So let me just take you to the tour for this location. And before that, let me show you what I found. So I found food, which is like guavas for 20 bucks for pieces, which is nice and cheap. Let me quickly take you to the tour of this location. Before that, let me tell you, this location does not have any charges of the ticket pricing. So be it a foreigner, be it an Indian. So there are no charges for the ticket pricing. However, it have a splendid view to offer. So let's just go ahead to the tour and let's just see what we can explore then. So this is pretty much about this lake, guys. So I'm heading to the next location. Before that, I hope you like this view for this lake. So let me just take you to the next location quickly, and let's just quickly wrap up this vlog. Hey guys, today is the last day in Udaipur for me. So today is a sunny day as compared to the other days. So I'm heading to Sajjangarh now. Let me just take you to the tour for Sajjangarh and let's just wrap this vlog up. Hey guys, so we're inside the Sajjangarh Palace. So let me just quickly tell you about Maharana Sajjan Singh. So Maharana Sajjan Singh was the 72nd ruler of the Mewar dynasty and the eldest son and the successor of Maharana Sajjan Singh. So he ascended the throne as a minor in the year of 1874, but again he got crowned in the year of 1876. So he quickly proved to be a very progressive, wise, intelligent ruler, modernizing civil works, environment, justice, and architecture. So that is pretty much it about this location. Let me just quickly show you the palace and let us head to the tour. So guys, that's pretty much it about this location. This is the end of the tour for Udaipur for me. I'm heading back to Delhi right now. See you in Delhi next week. For this location, let me just give you a few tips about this location. If you are visiting Sajjangarh, please visit in the morning time. There are no online bookings, so you need to book your ticket from the counter. If you're coming to Sajjangarh, you need to book a cab as well at the gate, so which will take you to the palace. So that's pretty much it about this location, guys. So if you like the video, please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Till next week, guys. Adios.